In this video, we're going to look at 2Handwrite. You'll find 2Handwrite in the Tools. When you open the Tools, scroll down to English, and in the English section, you'll see 2Handwrite. When 2Handwrite opens, you'll see a series of lines. To the right-hand side, you've got a menu of options. You've got options for pen colour and pen width. You've got options for the tracing pen style. You've got line options, plain, single line or multi-line. You've got options for line height. We're on medium, but you could choose wide, extra wide or super wide. Let's go with wide. And you can also choose the page colour. Any writing you do on this page is automatically recorded and can be replayed using these controls to the bottom right. Let's have a go at writing a letter. It's a little tricky with a mouse. It's a bit easier if you're using an interactive whiteboard or a tablet. That letter, if I click on play at the bottom, I can see replayed. And I can click on loop to loop that playback. This means you could have this playing back on a loop on the board as the children are working in the classroom. You could ask the children to come up, choose a colour and have a go at writing the letter themselves on a different line. If you want to undo anything, at the top you've got undo and redo buttons. You've also got an eraser. If I click on that and I click on my letter, it will erase it. At the top to the right you've got a slider between handwriting and typing. When I slide it across to typing, I've got a cursor that appears and I can write a word. I can press the carriage return and continue writing words if I want to. At the top, with the words on here, I can slide it back to handwriting. This will actually show what's behind, so I'm just going to erase my previous handwriting there. To the left of the words, a switch button has appeared. This I can use to switch between solid line and outline. Next to that is a play button. If I click play, the tracing tool will demonstrate the formation of the letter. Children can come up and choose a colour if they'd like to, and then they could use their pen to draw over the letters themselves. The children could also have a go at writing the words underneath on empty lines. If you want to add words to make sheets for the children to have a go at themselves, then you can pop your words in and then go to the menu and go to print. Here you'll see a variety of printing options. You can give your worksheet a title and choose the repeats and the line spacings. You can also choose the font size and the line style. When you click on print, it will generate you a PDF of the worksheet. Notice it will replicate whether you've got the outline set or the solid line set. If you want to set anything up for children then to access independently, you can set things up in here and then you can go to the menu to save it and send it to the children as a to-do using the share button. I hope you enjoy using 2Handwrite.